करने वाले हैं कॉस्मिक बाइट का कथीड्रा गेमिंग चेयर, ब्लैक एंड येलो कलर। यू कैन सी कॉस्मिक बाइट कथीड्रा गेमिंग चेयर. It's a black and yellow color. So let's open this. Wow. So at first we get this base of the chair, nice in black and yellow design, nice sturdy heavy material. The armrest. Wow. The actual back seat of this Cathedra, big huge one with cosmic byte branding on top. Wow. The headrest, switch to God mode branding. Second armrest. Actual seat with the box type, so you have extra cushioning on the side for you. This is the lumbar pillow for your back, so to give you extra support. Nice soft cushioning it is. This is the center part to rotate the chair, and this is the extra fitting of it, and this is the packaging box. So let's pack it. Thank you.